How to fix Roblox voice chat not working. Several factors can cause voice chat to stop working in Roblox: disabling the feature by mistake, muting your microphone or fans accidentally, choosing the incorrect input and output audio devices, web browser conflicts, operating system restrictions, hardware issues with your audio devices, and more. Well, I'm going to show you one of the reasons why. First, maybe you are not get verified here in your Roblox. So you have to be fully verified, or your age should be verified in order for you to get that feature. So there would be problem if you have cheated your age and then Roblox found it out that you are not really verified with your age. The second thing is that when you launch your Roblox and you open your Roblox and let's just say you wanted to play this game, Murder Mystery, when you go to that game's settings, one of the reasons why microphone isn't working, it's because maybe you have disabled the feature by mistake, like this. So all you have to do is to click this so that you unmute the microphone. Another thing is that, of course, like what I've said, you have to make sure that you chose the correct input and output audio devices. So, in order to know, you have to test your mic if you're using your correct microphone, okay, or device. So, you just have to select this. And as you can see, I'm testing the microphone to see if I'm using the correct input or output device. Now all you have to do is to speak. And then as you can see, if the green color of this microphone is moving, that means you're using the correct device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.